Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make an image transparent in Canva, specifically using the updated 2025 interface. Whether you're designing a social media post, a logo, or you just want a cleaner look for your overlays, learning this simple trick can really open up a world of creative possibilities. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to adjust image transparency quickly and confidently, even if you've never done it before. So let's get started. First, jump over to Canva. You can do this by opening Canva.com in your browser or just launch the Canva app on your device if you have it installed. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just take a moment to sign in or create a free account. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Canva dashboard with all your past designs in the main menu. Next up, click the big Create button. It's usually located near the top right corner. This button is your starting point for every new project, whether you're making a flyer, a video, or in our case, a custom-sized image. When you click it, a drop-down will appear with some preset templates for things like Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and more. But for this tutorial, let's use a custom size so you really get comfortable with how Canva works underneath the hood. Go ahead and select Custom Size. You'll see two fields pop up for width and height. Let's set the width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. This might seem pretty small, but for the sake of this example, it's a manageable size to test out transparency effects. You could adjust these numbers for your actual project needs, but starting small keeps things focused while you're learning. After the custom size is set, click Create New Design. Canva will generate a blank, fresh canvas just for you, a clean slate where all the magic happens. Give it a moment to load if you have a slower connection. Sometimes Canva takes a few seconds, especially if it's your first project of the day. Now we need an image to work with. Take a look over at the left-hand panel. You'll see an Elements tab. Click on that and you'll be presented with a huge variety of images, graphics, shapes, and more. For this tutorial, just grab any image you like. Maybe pick one with bold colors or sharp edges so you can really see the transparency change. All you have to do is click on the image and it'll pop right onto your canvas. If you want, you can drag it to position it, resize it, whatever feels right for you. With the image selected, focus on the top right of your workspace. You should see a little checkerboard or transparency icon. It sometimes looks like a grid or a slider depending on the Canva update. Give that a click and a slider will appear, letting you adjust how see-through your image becomes. Slide it to the left to reduce the transparency. You'll notice the image starts to fade, letting the background show through more. This is super handy if you want to layer images, create watermark effects, or soften a busy photo. Don't hesitate to play around with the transparency level. You can always bring it back up if you changed your mind. If you don't see a dramatic effect right away, try adding a colored shape or text in the background as a reference. And that's really it. Once you're happy with how your transparent image looks, you can download your project or keep editing. That's all it takes to adjust image transparency in Canva 2025. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy designing.